Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Diki Praditya. I'm from Universitas Sarjana Tata Mahasiswa. I want to presentation my classroom action research. The title is Improvement of Learning Activity of 5th grade student at SD Negeri Sekawaten Baru through the Cooperative Learning Model Type Team Games Tournament. Background. Education is one of the important factors in the effort to welcome the 4.0 revolution era. This is because quality human resource can be created through quality education. In addition, quality education can also be one of the means to achieve national development success. In teaching, teachers have the role facilitating and motivating students in learning. To create good and effective learning, teacher must prepare lesson thoroughly, specifically by preparing lesson that align with the characteristic of student. Activity is one of important aspect in learning. Because of the activity during the learning process, student will have enthusiasm for participation in the learning process. Based on initial observation on July 29, 2024 at SD Negeri Sekawaten Baru, it was noted that the learning process in the 5th grade class at SD Negeri Sekawaten Baru did not show student engagement, interest in learning, motivation to learn, and participation in the learning process. In this issue, there is one prominent factor that significantly influenced the low level of classroom learning activity, which is the use of an inappropriate learning model that does not meet the student learning needs. During the learning process, it is observed that students tend to be passive and less involved in the learning process. There are many learning models available, but based on observation and the learning needs in the classroom, one model was chosen to accommodate the learning needs of the 5th grade, which is the cooperative learning model of the team game of tournament type. The team game of tournament cooperative learning model is one of learning process model that can enhance student activity in participation in the classroom learning process. Methods. Classroom action research was conducted in the 5th grade of SD Negeri Sekawaten Baru, located at Arimbi Street 27 number Sekawaten Baru, Banguntapan District, Bantul Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. The classroom action research was motivated by the low levels of student learning activity in the 5th grade in the subject of Pancasila education. It is hoped that the implementation of classroom action research can be solution to the problem of low learning activity and can improve the learning activity of 5th grade students. The research was conducted during the second semester of the 2004-2005 academic year. The type of research used is classroom action research. According to Widyati 2008, classroom action research is a research activity conducted in the classroom context to solve learning problems faced by teachers. The subject of this study are 5th grade students, totaling 22 students, consisting of 9 male students and 13 female students at SD Negeri Sekawaten Baru. The object of this research is the process of increasing student learning activity through the team games tournament type of cooperative learning model. According to Kurt Lewin in Purwanto 2001, 2021, classroom action research is in one cycle consists of four steps, namely planning, action, acting, observing, and reflection. The result and discussion. The result of study indicate that the implementation of the cooperative learning model of the team games tournament type is capable of increasing student learning activity in the subject of Pancasila education in the 5th grade. This is evidenced by the percentage of average score in each cycle. The percentage of pre-action activity was 20%. After implementing the action in the first cycle, using the team games tournament cooperative learning model, there was an increase with an average score of 30% in the moderate category. In the second cycle, student activity increased to 60%, and in the third cycle, student activity increased to 90%. In the third cycle, students were able to participate in learning actively, and enthusiastically. Figure 1 is graph comparing the average score of each cycle. In the pre-action learning process, obtaining an average score of 55. In cycle 1, the average score was still low because the cooperative learning model of the team games tournament type had not yet been implemented. In the learning process of cycle 1, a score of 72 was option. In cycle 2, a score then in cycle 3, an average score of 90 was option. From this data, it can be concluded there was an improvement from cycle 1 to cycle 2, and then from cycle 2 to cycle 3, it was declared successful. In each cycle, improvement can occur due to evaluation by teacher to enhance the quality of teaching and learning. The hope from the evaluation conduct is that the level of student activity can increase in the participation in Pancasila education learning. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research conduct on 5th grade students at SD Negeri Kabupaten Baru, the research can conclude that using the cooperative learning model of team games tournament type can enhance student learning activity in Pancasila education. This is demonstrated by the result of the scores from the pre-action and Pancasila education ability test in cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. The percentage of student scores was 20% after implementation action in cycle 1 using the cooperative learning model teams game tournament. The percentage increased to 30%. In cycle 2, the percentage was 60%, and in cycle 3, it rose to 90%. The increase in student activity in Pancasila education learning has reached an average score based on observation from pre-action to the cycle stage.